Hey everyone, in this video we're actually going to show you how to draw a shoulder in under 5 minutes. So grab your pencils and let's get drawing quickly. So first things first, we're basically going to make this a quick drawing. So I'm not going to speed it up, but I'm actually going to show you how to draw this in under 5 minutes. So it's going to be the shoulder and the arm, and what we're going to do is just start off with the upper part of the body over here. And because this is a side view, the neck will just come out just a little bit like this. And essentially you start out with the shoulder kind of looking like this. It kind of comes down over here and you have your bicep over here. And you're going to go down to here, which is your elbow. And then from there, you're basically going to have the forearm. Okay, so let's just fix that up. So down here, you have the forearm, kind of goes down to the hand. We're not going to draw the hand. Down over here, you basically go over here and kind of go down as well. And this is essentially the foundation to this sketch. So this is what we're starting with. The actual body itself is going to be over here. You're going to have a bit of the chest over here, and the chest will kind of come around, kind of back this way, okay? So we're not really going to draw the whole body, and we want this to kind of fade away anyway, so we'll do that. And then around the shoulder, you basically want to maybe get in a little bit of cross-hatching just over here to show some shading. So you're going to do that over here as well as over here. And use your smudge technique to kind of let this kind of blend into the page. Down here, you typically have some muscle formation below. This is a muscular person, so someone perhaps that has some muscle, could be a male, doesn't have to be. Over here, you might have some lighter tones. And of course, around the edges, you typically have some shadows because you're trying to show off the realistic kind of shadows around the arm. And of course, on the bicep, you're going to do that as well. So that's what we're doing here. And this kind of comes down. So you might also be inclined to kind of just do these lines, right? Just to kind of let this kind of become one. So kind of like that, and then get some of these lines kind of going this way as well. Okay, and you're kind of going to have a dark spot over here. Over here, you're going to have the arm go down, and you have your muscles here. So you typically have a bit of a line over here, and this is essentially a very common muscular line. I can't recall the name, but it is very common on the forearm. And then around the sides, you basically want to just get in a little bit of darker lines on the sides because it kind of shows the 3D effect of the arm. Same over here, just get some lines kind of going like that. And you can also go the other way as well, kind of a curved crosshatch method. I've done this in a lot of other videos, and it kind of just shows off a bit of realism here in the sketch. You can also get a bit darker here, because of course over here, you're kind of tucked in a bit of the corner of the arm, right? So you're kind of doing that. And of course, don't let the elbow kind of disappear, right? So the elbow is there as well. And you might want to just reevaluate some of those, just some of those spaces there as well. So again, this is a quick sketch. Actually, the reason we're doing this is like basically how to draw something in under 5 minutes. Anyone can probably draw anything if they have enough time. It's just a matter of how much time do you budget for your next project. And if you have a certain time you want to work with, that's half the battle, right? Anyway, so this is just kind of like a quicker way to kind of say, hey, here's how you do something like this. So this is like how to draw a shoulder as well as like the bicep and the elbow and stuff like that in under 5 minutes. So hopefully you're enjoying this. We're basically going to finish up the top and probably get this done in just under 5 minutes. Some light cross hatching really helps get this looking right. So you can kind of get this over here. And then of course the neck continues up over there and the shoulder's over there. Shoulder is obviously a bit brighter because you're kind of drawing a curved like muscle on the body. So keep that in mind that this should definitely be curved and smooth and round up at the top. So other than that, you basically just touch up anything that kind of smudged around the edges. Basically looking at just using your eraser to do so. And that's essentially how you draw a shoulder, bicep, and elbow in under 5 minutes. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.